Crash course day 2. Subject pronoun in object pronoun. उदा पर sentence की form की संख्या. Sana loves me. For example, I'm not talking about. Hello everyone, welcome to 𝙿𝙖𝙮 Talks, the crash course day 2. Second day da or per second day crash course के बाद तासुता ज़नन teach kom 3 different simple topics. The Brazil lesson per 3 topics band divided day. The first one is subject in object pronoun. The second part is forming sentence basenga 𝙬𝙗𝙬𝙬. And the third thing is about the review of simple present tense. On the same video ke the simple present tense dwara links ta in English and in English and Pashto. The links are available. You are requested to watch it from there and understand it. Subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject pronoun are those pronouns that they are going to begin the sentence and use instead of noun to replace it. Noun replace kore da para mung subject pronoun use ko. Like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. They are used as a subject pronoun. Now, what is object pronoun? The object pronoun is always going to receive. It comes in the end. Object is usually coming in the end of the sentence. For I, the object pronoun is me. For example, you are saying, he likes me. He is subject pronoun. Me is object pronoun. And the object pronoun of he is him. I like him. Him is used as an object pronoun. She, her. They are in bazaar with her. We, object pronoun is us. And they, the object pronoun is them. You, the object pronoun is you. I don't know you. Besides that, the object pronoun of it is it. That's how you are going to understand the subject and object pronoun. Uda per sentence ki form ki sanka. I've given you some examples there. Second part, the sentence formation. Sentence ba 𝙬𝙗𝙬𝙬 sanka. Sentence ki usually subject razi. But subject ke usually we are using noun or pronoun. As I told you, subject pronoun. Nodaba pa subject use ki. I, you, we, they, etc. Second part of the sentence formation is verb. Either be verb, action verb, or sedative verb. Da drishiza ke barazi. And the object, dream part sentence ke sade object. And that is what object pronoun or noun comes. For example, I like Ali. Instead of Ali, you are going to say him. I like him. Sana loves me. For example, I'm not talking about. There is no one Sana like that. It's an example. Sana loves me. Me is object pronoun of I here. That's how you are forming sentence. Now, the sentence ki savi subject is there, verb is there, and object is there. And you need to understand that sometimes when we are going to replace object pronoun with noun or noun with object pronoun, that's how we can form the sentence easily. And the sentence ki hamesha verb changegi, but we do not change subject and object for it. Form ki sirf verb changegi. For example, I go to school, I went to school, I have been to school. Verb pakhpal zaidi, verb changegi, or subject or object pakhpal zai bande paat kigi. About simple present tense, I have already taught that in the different previous tutorials. As I told you, the links are available in the comment box. You are requested to, or the description, you are requested to just click, understand, learn, practice subject in object pronoun, and practice how to form the sentence. It was all about the second day of the 30 days crash course. See you in my next lecture. Stay blessed and stay happy. Have a great time.